back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get this beautiful golden glitter makeup look, like cut crease makeup look. I don't know what to name this makeup look actually, because it's super soft, super dramatic and super classic. Because of this glitter cut crease, it's looking amazing. I really love the way it looks. And what do you guys think about this look? Do let me know if you like it. Also comment down below if you want to create it. Just tag me on your Instagram and I would love to see you guys there. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please let's go and watch the video. And before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and comment down below what you guys think about this look. That means a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So those who are asking which eye pencil I use, I basically use the NYX pencil liner, which is this one. I really love this. It's a micro brow pencil and the shade is Espresso, which I really love. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so I created this look, which is a really beautiful like glittery cut crease with a basic liner. So it's all about glitter, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which is this one, the soft glam one. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I did. So it's a normal cut crease. Let me zoom in. Just like this. And I really love it. It looks so chic and so beautiful. And it takes really minimum time to create this look. So first of all, I'm gonna take this shade, which is Rustic, which is this one. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm just going to blend this on my lid. And taking the rest out like so. So I'm just building up this color and taking it out. Let me zoom in so that it's really easy for you guys at what I'm doing. So I'm just taking it out like so. We are creating a wave, like wing. So we're doing it like this. Now that once we are done with this color deepening, like once we reach the level of the deep color that we wanted, now I'm going to take the light shade, which is this one, Burnet Orange, this shade, and I'm gonna blend on top of this, so it's gonna act as a transition shade. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush, picking up that Burnet Orange and just blending the rest like so. And after this, we're gonna take a clean brush and we will blend all of them together. So it's gonna act like light color and dark color like that. So now I'm going back with the first shade and I'm just deepening that a little bit more, because we need a really dark shades for our cut crease. And now I'm taking a clean brush, which is this one, and I'm just going to blend everything together. So it's really simple to do like a cut crease look. I don't know why people find it really hard, but it's super easy. Once we get to this level, let me just zoom in, and now we have to cut it. So for cutting your crease, you have tons of options. You can go for a brush or for a concealer. So I like to go with a concealer. So I have my concealer on my hand. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it on the back of my hand and I'm just gonna start cutting my crease. So as I have showed you on TikTok how I cut my crease, so with this it's super easy for me. Super easy, you know, it's super easy to cut your crease like this, especially with the help of the concealer brush. So now once I'm done with the cut crease, I'm gonna go and use the silver glitter just to precise that crease, because I want to add the glitter so I have a line to go on it. And for the glitter, I'm gonna use these one, which is golden one, and you can use any one that you have. So I'm just gonna draw a line. to basically have an idea where I should put the glitters on. Like so. And now I'm gonna go and put on some glitter glue, which is this one. I use my own glitter glue, which is by Waldorf Rawa. You can use this as a lash glue and as a glitter glue as well. So I have some of the glitter glue in back of my hand. I'm gonna take it with the precise brush and I'm just gonna apply it right after the liner that we applied with a very thin layer, and we're gonna go and follow that silver line and take that outwards like I do. So you can use this lash glue as a glitter glue. It's really good and super waterproof. So now that I'm done with this, I'm just gonna go and take my glitters because I have them right by my side. So I'm just gonna go and pick the glitter and paste them on. So you really need a patience to apply that glitter. Okay, so now we're done with this beautiful liner. We're gonna go and add some basic liners. So I'm gonna use the Lakme liner. This one is really affordable and really good. So I'm gonna draw a really big wing liner. Okay, so now that I have this on, I'm gonna apply mascara and lashes. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild one, and for the lashes, I'm gonna use my own lashes, which is by Waldorf Rawa Dramatic AF. So I'm gonna apply lashes. Before that, we should always coat our lashes with the mascara. And for the lash glue as well, I'm gonna use lash glue by Waldorf Rawa, which is the black one. So I'm gonna add this on. I'm gonna add my lashes and I'll be right back. So for the primer, I'm going for a Milani primer. So if you have a dry skin, go for a really oily base primer, and if you guys have an oily skin, they go for a dry base primer. So I'm gonna apply this primer all over my face. So primer is a really important part for your base. You really need to make sure your base is really perfect. So for the foundation, I'm going for a Milani foundation. I'm in the shade Vanilla. So yeah, and I'm gonna take and apply a little bit of it. I really love this. So it's full coverage and amazing at the same time. It's a long lasting one. So I'm just gonna blend this, and as you guys can see, the color is super perfect. This is like one of my most favorite foundation, and it's a little bit expensive, but it worth the money. A little bit of this goes way too much long. While applying your foundation, make sure to always ignore your concealer area, like your under eye area, because if you apply foundation and at the same time apply concealer, so it's gonna crease. So that's why you really need to leave that portion for the concealer. So don't ever do that. So the more you leave that space, the more your concealer won't get creased, and it's good because foundation क्या करता है, concealer को slide करने की कोशिश करता है. So taking a little bit on my neck, and you guys can see my base is super perfect. I really love this foundation so freaking much. So many girls ask me which foundation is good and long lasting. So if you're like going for a party and you want some really long lasting foundation, then the Milani one is perfect. The Milani one, which one else? The Huda Beauty one is good, but it's super dry. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This concealer is also super pigmented. So I'm just going to draw just 2 lines to highlight, and that's it. It's super pigmented, man. Super full coverage. This concealer is also good if you have a really deep dark circles. And yeah, so I'm gonna blend this, and side by side just take your loose powder or any powder that you have and just go and set your under eye instant after you blended the concealer. Now I'm just gonna set my under eyes. So I'm using the Doodoo Girl highlight and contour palette. So I'm just setting my base. I'm not using any baking or anything like that because I'm not feeling to bake my under eyes today. It's just that I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna set like the areas where I get oily, mostly like T-zone area. And now I'm done with this. Now it's time for contour. For contouring as well, I'm using the same palette which is by Doodoo Girl, and I'm gonna take this shade which is really deep contour shade, and I'm just going to contour slightly. So many of you guys asking me your face looks different and snatch, it's just because of contouring. If you know the game of contouring, you're like the game of your makeup is totally changed. And I'm just gonna contour my forehead. जिसके बड़े foreheads है और उनको छोटा दिखाना है तो वो contour कर सकते हैं अपने foreheads को, otherwise they can leave. And just contour your jawlines, high cheekbone area to snatch your face, and you can contour your nose as well. So today I'm using powder contouring. I'm not doing the cream one because I'm not in a mood of that. And I'm just gonna blend this later on. So as you guys can see, this contour is so soft, so beautiful. The base looks so perfect. As you guys can see, my look is really bronzed. I don't need much blush because I'm gonna use this blush. Just this one, I really don't know from which brand it is. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna just apply a little bit of blush. Not much, just a little bit, and that's it. And we will focus more on bronzing our face because with such kind of smoky looks, bronzed face look better than like blushy one. So yeah, I really like nude kind of makeup looks, and I hope these kind of videos help you guys out. That's why I'm doing tutorial as well as I do like live sessions on TikTok. So yeah, that's it. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this shade from the palette which is named as Amber something. So I'm just gonna apply this halfway to my lower lash line, just this much, and I'm gonna blend this. Not much, just this much. And we're gonna apply nude like liner, not black. If you want, you can go for black one, but black one makes eyes look a little bit like small, but the white one makes it look bigger. So I'm just gonna blend this now. So these Anastasia palettes are really pigmented. I really love them, and that's it. You can see the difference between blending. Now I'm taking this nude pencil liner, which is by Color Icon, and I'm just gonna apply this on my waterline, and we will apply some mascara later on, and that's it. So this is gonna make your eyes look more popped out and not dull. I don't know, whenever I apply kajal or anything, my eyes get watery. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Mascara, which is this one, on my lower lash line. Oh, and my lower lashes. I don't know, I'm really obsessed with mascaras more than lashes, and it brings a really huge difference with your look when you apply really good mascara on your lower lashes. You can see the difference between my eyes, like it looks more sultry, and I love this eye look. What do you guys think? Just let me know. So for the highlighter, I'm going for the Anastasia one. I really love this so much. You guys can see the pigment. Oh, can you see this? This is so good. Like, who loves highlighter? I'm like a highlighter digger. Ooh. I love highlighter more than anything in this world. Highlighter, mascara, and lipstick, and that's it. And just applying a little bit on my cheeks to get that highlighted brush when you smile. So yeah. It's a gold highlighter and it's so perfect. For the lipstick, I'm going for Huda Beauty Feminist Demi Matte Lipstick. And these Demi Mattes by Huda Beauty are amazing. They are dyed to for. And you guys can see this lipstick with this eye makeup look looks perfect. You can use a matte lipstick if you want, but I love demi mattes and glossy lipsticks nowadays because it's gonna make your lips look more powdered out, like so. So yeah guys, that was it for today's look, and this is our final look, and I hope you guys like it. Do let me know if you like this look. This is super amazing. I really love what I did with my eyes because these kind of looks are so rare to find, but they are super easy to create. I know it seems like it's really difficult, but it's super simple. So I really love it. But yeah, what do you guys think about it? And yeah, that was it for today's look. And if you want me to do more kind of creative looks, do let me know in the comment section below which looks you want me to create. I will definitely love to do that for you guys, or any other makeup suggestions that you have. I would love to try that for you guys. So yeah, that was it, and it's super easy to create. Just be patient, and that's it. So I'll see you guys at my next video. Till then, take care, bye. I love you all.